Okay, it's recording.
Recording.
Shut it up, shut it up.
Oh, shit.
Where are we gonna smack it off at?
Here,
I don't know.
Phone it.
It's starting to bust.
Dude, it's starting to phone. Dude! Oh, Ethan, no!
Go pick it up.
Do it!
Yo! Now go pick it up.
I ain't going there.
There was a leak in it, wasn't there? We gotta get a bigger bottle.
What is that explosion right there that helps?
Okay.
What?
It's not shaking off.
Yeah. See, I can leave it sitting there. I'll leave it sitting.
Look, it's bubbling.
Guys.
Wait, hang on, I'm coming.
Leave it sit here. Oh, yeah.
Hey, pick it up.
Get up!
I can't. Dan, get away from it, you retard.
Wow.
Something.
Go pick it up. I picked it up before.
Failure.
Go pick it up. Hurry up.
I'm an epic failure yet.
Wait for it. Hope it doesn't blow up in your hand. Well, dude, this kind of plastic, but... Jesus Christ!
Awesome!
Wow. That was huge.
Again! I didn't get that on camera, but let's do that again.
Wow.
What happened?
I don't know. The cap just blew off.
Yeah.
Wow.
You got it.
Okay, we're gonna throw it right there, and we're probably gonna get hurt.
If
Okay.
it comes back and shoot. You know,
Well, that's why we're gonna go right behind the guards. Fence thing.
I should just leave my
Oh,
camera
dude, that's a
here.
lot right there. That's a big pack.
I'm just
It's
gonna leave my
dripping.
camera sitting.
See, should I just shake it up and leave it sit there?
Yeah, that'd be easier. Plus, we can get ready with our cameras. Oh, dude, that's gonna explode a lot faster. Watch yourself. Oh, dude, the plastic just came off.
It's expanding. Get down.
It's expanding a lot. Shit.
It's gonna go.
That's a really big bottle.
Don't go.
Go kick it.
No. Run something. No, you need to brace up to hit it with something. Ethan, I wouldn't.
I would.
Ethan, no.
That is a...
That was awesome!
Oh, yeah.